Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat. Type in the chat, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. So we got the plays of you guys inside my group. Let's rock and roll. We got everything that we need, ladies and gentlemen. Everything that we need. All right, we're going to fire away on all cylinders today. Remember, today is Friday. So my thing is be prepared. Make your first trade the best trade, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's see what we got. All right, morning. Morning. All right, we got some good plays. We got some lineups today. We got Intel. We got Intel. Intel is on the chopping block today, so we'll see how we can rock and roll for that. We got SPY on the chopping block again. We got NVIDIA on the chopping block. We got CVS on the chopping block. We got some good plays today, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you trade safely. Make sure you trade correctly. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you guys my opinion through trials and tribulation and education. So my thing is, let's rock and roll, and then we can go from there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to fire away. Morning. What's up, Kels? Kels, I'm finna send you the plays, and I want you to copy and paste them inside here if you can. I'm gonna send you the plays. But I'm ready to rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are ready to rock and roll. I'm always trading SPY because it's more easier for everybody as a big group and as a big team. We can actually trade them together. So let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. All right. Looking forward to today, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you guys are looking forward to making some money. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, see green, take green. Remember, as always, team take profit. And then we can roll from there. Kelly, check your Telegram. I just sent it to you. Post these inside YouTube for me if you can. It's early in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. So it's early in the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, we got on the chopping block. We got a few things. We got a few things on the chopping block. All right, so let's rock and roll. Let me see if I can do a few things for the team, and then we can actually start executing this morning. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to ask questions. Don't sit on the sideline, and allow the market to actually continue to keep on going. We got a few targets today on SPY. You don't have to let it hit every target. Remember that, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to let it hit every target. All right? You don't have to let it hit every target. It's in that, Kels. You should be able to post it now. Thank you, Kels. Appreciate it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all drop a world emoji if you guys are inside the chat. Like, subscribe. My thing is, leave some comments, and we're going to rock and we're going to roll. We got a little bit under 4 minutes before the market open, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, always anticipate the market doing one or two things, going up or going down. All right, we will consolidate, but we will switch it to a smaller time frame. I don't mind dropping to the 30 seconds, the 15 second, or the 5 seconds to make sure that we get into a play. Morning, Elise. Morning, Steve. Morning, CC. Let's rock and roll. Everybody's been doing pretty good this week. Remember, they said September is a bloody month. It's life is life. History repeats itself, but not always in the same fashion. They might pull the rug next week, but they did pull the rug the first week, and then they did pull the rug up and down. So my thing is, let's see if we can rock and roll, and let's see if we can get some of this money. All right? So if you guys are happy about getting some of this money, drop a world emoji in the chat. Drop a world emoji. So my thing is, for people that's not inside my group, ladies and gentlemen, I will be offering an elite group next year. I might extend a few openings. But my thing is, I'm trying to keep it small, trying to keep it close-knit. It will be a lifetime membership, one-time fee. I'm just looking to actually help people build. So if you guys are trading options, I'm trying to help you define your option trading, simplifying your setup, and then getting you guys inside of the futures and getting you guys to build up a long-term portfolio, getting you guys to diversify in multiple areas in multiple ways. So diversification is key. Like I said, I always keep books with me. So, you know, today we got Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas. And then my thing is, I'm always studying. So my thing is, we always looking at commodities, because the world does not move without any products. Products is in the world, no matter if it's a natural product or human being took a natural product and actually evolved it. So the plays are inside the group. Kel just posted it. So we do have a spot called entry above 561 flat. And we'll take the 562s, 563 same day. We got a few targets, 561.50. I'm always doing 50-cent increments for the first target because we can get into a trade. It can push up 40, 50 cent, and then it could do a drastic drop. So I think we'll keep our eyes on that. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, pack a punch, pack a punch, pack a punch. All right, so let's rock and roll, let's rock and roll. All right, we got a little bit less than 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, a little bit less than 1 minute. Let's rock and roll. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, keep it tight, keep it right. We got to put entry below 559.20, but my thing is I want to get at 559.18 and we'll rock and roll. All right, we got less than 15, we got less than 45 seconds. All right, CC said Intel call entry hit. So my thing is, let's rock and roll. Let's see what Intel does. All right, let's see if Intel can hold. If Intel can hold, we can get into that. But it bounced up, so we need Intel to get back above 1950. So let's rock. We got less than 17 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, less than 17 seconds. All right, let's rock and roll, let's rock and roll. The market's about to open up in 7 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, 7 seconds. Here we go. Market is open, ladies and gentlemen. Market is open. Intel, let's get in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in Intel from the bill. Let's go. Calls. Let's rock and roll. So my ladies and gentlemen, make sure you have your trail stop loss in place. Respect your trail stop loss. My thing is, do not force it. All right. SPY, remember 59.20 is our entry on SPY to the downside. Let's rock and roll. All right, I'm gonna switch this time frame. The market is open. Switch it to a smaller time frame. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Ask questions in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not be that person that don't ask questions in the chat. Please ask questions. Let's rock and roll. All right. We're bouncing off the sell side, but we need to break the sell side so we can go to the downside so we can make a move, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, let's go. Intel is cooking a little, ladies and gentlemen. Intel is cooking from the bill. Intel is cooking from the bill. Let's go. Intel is cooking from the bill. Intel is cooking from the bill. So pay close attention. You don't need a big old move on it, but my thing is please take your profit when you see profit. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, CVS is down 24 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eyes on CVS. Let's go, let's go. All right, remember, ladies and gentlemen, we only 1 minute in the market, so my thing is don't make too much of a drastic move, but Intel is making a little bit of noise, and then we can go from there. Talk to him, y'all, talk to him. Morning. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. We got what we need. We just got to be a little bit patient. Don't be too frantic. Intel just bounced off 1968. So my thing is, hope you ladies and gentlemen took some profit off the table. Like I said, if you're going with 10, 20, 40, 50 contracts, that's your opportunity to take some profit off the table. All right, now here we go. Intel is recovering, so my thing is to stand within its zone. There's only 2 minutes in the market, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not force a trade. Allow the market to play out. All right, CVS is getting killed, ladies and gentlemen. CVS is getting killed. It's down 35 cents. Make sure you guys are in your plays. Make sure you guys are respecting your targets. Make sure you guys are respecting your entry point. Here we go. SPY just pushed up back up to 560. So, ladies and gentlemen, please be patient. Intel is cooking, ladies and gentlemen. Intel is cooking. All right, Intel is cooking. I got a target on Intel 1992. $19.92. That's a target on Intel, but you can always take profit off the table. It is same day, so my thing is you can kill them. So we do got a double bottom on SPY from pre-market into open bill. So my thing is if we can break the low of the day on SPY, we can flush. We can go down 50, 60, 70 cents. But my thing is Intel is making some noise for us, ladies and gentlemen. Intel is making some noise. All right, keep your eyes on the prize. All right, you can exit Intel, ladies and gentlemen. We hit 1978. That's an exit threshold. Let's exit there. SPY's doing what SPY's doing. We only 3 minutes in the market, ladies and gentlemen. Type in the world chat if you guys took Intel. Type in the chat if you guys took Intel. Let's rock and roll. New entry point on SPY, looking to get in at 560.70, 560.70, and then we'll add at 561. 560.70. Let's go, let's go. All right, let's rock and roll. SPY's rolling. SPY's rolling. All right, let's rock and roll. SPY's rolling. So 560.70, that's our new entry point, and then we'll add a 561. So if you guys took off on Intel, you guys did a phenomenal job on that trade, a phenomenal job on that trade. Phenomenal job. So my thing is, this is what it's all about, getting on here making money. We don't have to sit around too long, so that was a perfect trade on Intel from the bill. Now my thing is, we'll see what the market actually gives us, and if the market gives us an opportunity to make money, we'll take it. But if the market doesn't give us an opportunity to take money, we still be patient. All right, patience is key, ladies and gentlemen. Please, ladies and gentlemen, practice patience. Got it? Patience, patience. All right, patience, patience. There we go. We getting close to the entry point on SPY, ladies and gentlemen. We get close to the entry point. All right, here we go. 560.50. We hit the top of 560.55. Ladies and gentlemen, let's be a little bit patient. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, control your emotions. Control your emotions. AVGO is up on the day. CVS is getting clipped. SPY's up $1.18. We just did a pullback of 30 cents. Intel did exactly what we wanted her to do. So my thing is, that was a bag drop. So my thing is, remember, ladies and gentlemen, you have to be patient. Patience, patience. 560.38 on SPY. Intel, remember, ladies and gentlemen, you're still a holding it, because I know a lot of people's greedy. We did create a new high of $19.79. Apple is on the move. I will take Apple 225 calls above 223.20. 223.20, I would take Apple 225 calls, same day expirations. That's a new one to the list. All right, Apple just hovered above, but we need to actually break above with a body, not a wick. So let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, all it takes is 1 to 2, maximum 3 to 4 trades, and then my thing is, you can make it up. Patience, patience. So SPY's just playing around within his range, ladies and gentlemen. We playing around within his range. We did hit equal highs, and then we did break the formation of equal highs. But my whole thing is, it's still playing around 560.25. So my thing, we still need to get above today's high, and then we need to get above 560.70 to enter into our calls, and then we'll add to our calls at 561, and then we'll see if we can hit some targets going up. Here we go, 550, 550, 560, 59. My thing is, we got a little retracement. So ladies and gentlemen, please pay close attention to what's really going on. Please pay close attention. Let's get paid. Let's get paid, ladies and gentlemen. When we hit this target, we're going to get paid, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat if you bagged up. Drop a world emoji in the chat if you bagged up. You guys should be out of your Intel trades. If you got a run in there, ladies and gentlemen, 1992 will be my last target on there. So 1992 will be my last target. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Thank you guys for joining me here on YouTube. We 8 minutes in the market, looking for the 940 candlestick to actually come out and see what direction the market want to go. My thing is, we are bullish on the day. Apple is negative on the day. NVIDIA is positive 48 cents. SPY's up $1.25. Intel is up 32 cents. So we did a pullback from the high of the day. So my thing is CVS is down on the day. It did hit 557.11 and then it popped back up. So my thing is everything that we trade and everything that we need is right in front of us. We just got to be a little bit patient. All right, drop a world emoji inside the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Apple is getting crippled right now. Apple is getting crippled. So Apple is going back down to the sell side. We got a lower today on Apple is 222.24. We'll see how Apple get affected by the antitrust and the lawsuit that's going on over in Europe and things like that. Let's see if that's going to slow up the sales of the iPhone 16. Let's rock. Let's rock. Let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. Here we go. Good job, XX. Good job for making some money. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. You made a bag today, man. We're not trying to make it hard. We're not trying to make it not trying to make it easy as well. So my thing is we trying to be in the middle. 940, let's see what this candlestick does to the market, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take you guys down to a smaller time frame, 15 second. I want you guys to see how we actually hit this top twice. Double top here, 15 second. We'll keep it on here for a few seconds, and then we can go from there. Good job, Kelly. Good job, Kelly. All right, here we go. 15 second, ladies and gentlemen. If I have to change it to a smaller time frame, I will. I don't care what's really going on in the market. I'm trying to get paid. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, the market will pay you or the market will slay you. You got it? The market will pay you and the market will slay you. You just got to be prepared for anything that comes. All right, Apple, ladies and gentlemen, bounced off the lows of 224. We pushed back up. So my thing is just be prepared. Entry to the calls to the upside of 223.22. If we don't break above and hold with a full candlestick above that, we're not taking any trades. So like, subscribe, and share, ladies and gentlemen. Share with family and friends while we on this live, ladies and gentlemen. Let's rock and roll. All right, SPY's breaking down to the sell side. So my thing is, y'all know what our put entries is. 559.20. I got a new put entry. We're gonna take puts below today's low, 559.45, and then we'll add to our position at 559.20. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I like the way Intel is looking to the downside. I'm looking at the 1950 puts for the same day Intel. Let's rock and roll. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, please take your time. Please take your time. Don't be in a rush. Please take your time. SPY's hovering back and forth, ladies and gentlemen. SPY do not want to give us the breakout move like we anticipate. Got it? Please, ladies and gentlemen, take your time. NVIDIA's up 40 cents. AVGO is still doing its thing, so hopefully Kels took that. She likes to trade it. All right, let's see what we got. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Share with family and friends. We made a bag drop. Intel hit. A few other trades did pretty well. So my whole thing is let's see what we got. Just waiting on SPY to actually make some noise for us. It already made noise in the pre-market. It made its move, but when the market opened, we did get a nice push to the upside, but it never broke our entry. So I changed our entry to 560.70. We hit 560.61. So my thing is we need for it to actually extend and hold above that. We need for it to extend to hold above that, ladies and gentlemen. So we are on YouTube Live, ladies and gentlemen. I feel honored to be on here with you guys and trade with you guys, put you guys in position to be calm, cool, and collective. So my thing is let's make some money. We are on a 15-second time frame. We do have a bullish flag, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a bullish flag. We stuck inside of this channel. So my thing is, let's see if we can break out of this channel. Those Intel puts, I'm in there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in the Intel puts. All right, so we just flagged up. We hit 560, 68. We still got a hard time go. We still got a hard time. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So my whole thing is, let's see what it gives us. It's wicking up there, but we need for bodies to actually break above, and then we need for those bodies to actually hold, and then we could take position. Remember, you don't want to take position until the trend actually solidifies itself and show you complete control. All right, 560, 66, 573. Let's see if we hold above, and then we can get paid. All right, rejection. Nope, let's go. I'm in. 562, same day. Let's rock. Trail stop loss 25%. Let's go. All right, retrace. Remember, make sure you respect your trail stop loss. Remember, we can always take profit. I don't care if it's 5%, 10%, 3%, 20%. You can always take profit. So remember, get into your trade. We do got a target of 561. We can add that, or you can actually take your bag off the table. But let's rock and roll. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We cooking, ladies and gentlemen. You should be in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji if you guys are in profit. Intel is making noise, ladies and gentlemen. We did get the rejection. Intel is in profit to the downside. 2 for 2 on Intel. Let's see what SPY actually do for us. We was in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, respect your stop loss. No matter if you got a trail or not, respect it. My thing is, don't continue to keep on changing it. Let's see what the market gives us. So we coming back down. This is on a smaller time frame. I want to break support, but I'm going to show you guys something. The market has been open 15 minutes. I'm going to give you guys a 15-minute candlestick. We did get a rejection, so it fell 2 up, but let's see if we can actually come back and actually retrace above the high of the day and see if we can go up. I want to change these candlesticks. I want to show you guys something. We are in a complete uptrend on a Renko. So my thing is, we are in a complete uptrend on a Renko. So my whole thing is, we do got a few targets that we can actually hit going up on a Renko. So I like my position. The block haven't changed, but my whole thing is just be a little bit patient with yourself. Please do not be thirsty in this market. Please. Please do not be thirsty. So we got a few levels we can hit coming up. So patience, ladies and gentlemen. Do not panic when you're in the trading. So we are in a complete uptrend and do want to go back to these highs and these levels. We just got to be a little bit patient. Now, on the Hakanashi, it's showing that we're in a complete uptrend too as well. We do got that full mirror boji. So my thing is, let's see if we can continue to keep rocking out. You guys should be in profit. Here we go. You guys should be in complete profit. Let's see if we can break this 161. We keep getting a rejection at the top, ladies and gentlemen. Don't like how that's looking. Do not like how that's looking. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat. All right, here we go. We're retracing, ladies and gentlemen. We just hit 560.96. 560.98 is the high of the day. Let's see if we can break above there and see if we can extend these gains. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a pullback, 13, 14 cent pullback. And my thing is, it's still sitting on the cusp. I'm going to show you guys something. There we go. 561, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to add to my position 4 more contracts. Let's rock and roll. So now our original target is 561.50. Come on, man. This is bag drop. We try to make it look easy. Let's go. Everybody should be in profit, ladies and gentlemen. We 3 for 3 on the day. 2 Intels and then SPY hit. And then a few other trades. So my whole thing is congratulations on that, ladies and gentlemen. You rocked out. So this is the game. My thing, if you guys want to go live with me, feel free to join the group. My thing is, if you guys are inside the group, feel free to join for the elite group. Because like I said, After it's closed, it's closed. It's a wrap. You're not gonna find too many people like me, especially I'm a unique coach. I'm with the people, I'm in the trenches, and we making it happen together. This is the game, y'all. We just hit 561.20. You can take your profit off the table, ladies and gentlemen. You can let some runner runs. It depends on you. But remember, we 3 for 3 on this live. Nothing is stopping us but us. Remember, when you look in the mirror, only person that can hold you back is you. There we go. Rippy, rippy. There we go. We just hit a new high of the day. Bag drop, right? Bag drop. That's the game, ladies and gentlemen. 561.26. 561.50 is the target. And if people don't believe me, this is an everyday occurrence. You hear me? Every day. It don't fail. Drop a world emoji in the chat. Drop a world emoji in the chat. You guys can exit this position or you can hold on to some runners. 561.27, ladies and gentlemen. 561.27. Anybody got any questions for me? Feel free to fire away. Put it in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Put it in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. If you guys notice, haven't said anything about the strat this, the strat that. It works. But my thing is we talking about hard levels. We can hit these levels. We can continue to keep extending to the upside. So 561.50. Let's go. We added to our position a little bit early because I seen that the market makers was trying to pump people out of their trades. Just looking at structure. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Like, share on your social media accounts. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube, leave comments every week. All right? So you get, ladies and gentlemen, you guys should be out of your plays. We hit them. We hit them hard, and we hit them fast. So my thing is, remember, ladies and gentlemen, do not take this shit for granted. Right? Do not take it for granted. Right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, it's 9:50, ladies and gentlemen. We ain't been in the market 20 minutes and everybody done bagged up. Right? Everybody done bagged up. SPY for the win. I agree, SPY for the win. ES for the win, right? ES for the win. NASDAQ for the win. So my thing is win, win, wins across the board. You know what I'm saying? You just got to protect your capital and your sanity. So my thing is, you guys know how to reach me. Empowerment Assets on all platforms. Empowerment Assets on all platforms. No matter if it's X, no matter if it's IG, no matter if it's TikTok, no matter if it's YouTube, what we currently own. Like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know nobody that's going to get on live with you and trade and keep you calm and cool and help you make some money for free. This is all free. This is all free. I feel like, hey, why not give back to society? Why not give back to the public? All right? Let's see, let's see. Remember Inspector Gadget, right? He's inspecting things. We already inspected SPY. We inspected Intel, and then guess what? It panned out for us, right? So the bag is there. You just got to take the bag. Good job, good job, good job, ladies and gentlemen. Good job. Good job. Drop a world emoji in the chat. Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. We cooking, we cooking, we cooking, y'all. This is a nice way to cook, y'all. Let them cook. Let them talk, let them talk, let them talk. We cooking. Cooking, 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 ladies and gentlemen. This is what I like. Get on here live and cook them. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you like your meat well done, we just did it. We just smoked SPY, we smoked Intel. Let's go, let's go. Remember, we got a half today at 561.28. We do have a target of 561.50, but my thing is we loaded at 570, and we took it to 528. So we pretty much got what we needed, multiple contracts added, and then continue to keep on keeping it moving, right? Drop a world emoji in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Drop a world emoji in the chat. I got a few more minutes with you guys. Ask any question that you feel. My thing is, ladies and gentlemen, remember, just be respectful to myself and to other traders and everybody that's on this live. Respect YouTube boundaries. Respect YouTube community. My thing is, let's be professional and respectful. So thank everybody for tuning in and viewing. We got a few more minutes, and I'm going to exit stage left, ladies and gentlemen. We got a few more minutes. right? So one thing that I do like to do as the market is open, we was trading on a smaller time frame, 15, 5 second, 30 second. I like how that's looking, but my overall stance is I'm looking at this 90-minute target. So my thing is when the next 90-minute come out, if we could break above 561.50, I would add to my position and keep it moving, right? I would go heavy 10, 15, 20, 30 contracts, see if we can break target 2 and target 3, right, to the upside. So just be a little bit patient with yourself, ladies and gentlemen. We did get a pullback. Be a little bit patient with yourself. We did get a rejection from the high. We did get hit with a doji. And then my thing is we broke below that. So like I said, it's all part of the game, right? Play the game the way it's supposed to be played. And my thing is, and respect your trail stop loss. Drop a world emoji inside the chat, right? Because my thing is, this is globally. Everybody is trading right now, right? Win, lose, or draw. You got to trust yourself. You got to trust your coach. You got to trust people that's around you when it comes to trading, because everybody trade a little bit different. But if somebody can keep you calm and cool and teach you how to make money, my thing is you should always be respectful and loyal to them. You should be in competition with them. You shouldn't be going behind their back doing things. My thing is you should be up front with them. So that's just life, period. So my thing is don't be a snake with shoes, right? Don't be a bear with a hoodie. So my thing is reveal yourself and let people know how you feel and keep it moving from there. So that's why I coach, and that's why I've been doing what I've been doing for years. And I enjoy it. I love it. I love teaching people. I love putting them in position to be successful. Remember, everybody can't be the boss. Everybody can't be the head honcho. But my thing is play your part, play your role. There's enough money in the stock market for everybody. It's over $140 trillion globally. So it's enough money for everybody. So remember that. There's enough money for everybody in this market. All right, we got a flag push down over 40 cents to the downside. My thing, if I wanted to chase it, I would have dropped to the 5-second time frame. I would have chased it, right? But my thing is, there's no point in chasing the market. Allow the market to get to our levels, and then my thing is we can go from there. All right, so it's 9:55. We got a few more minutes. It's 9:55. We got a few more minutes. Thanks, Senate. How you feeling today? How you feeling today? How everybody feeling today? Put it in the chat. If you guys are feeling happy, put a money bag in the chat if you guys are feeling happy. CVS bounced off the bottom of 47.10 and went to 47.80. That's a trade that I got in. And that was a beautiful trade as well. So my thing is, we haven't missed on the live. If you guys didn't make any money on the live, you guys was poorly positioned and you guys didn't execute properly. Right? So remember, ladies and gentlemen, Apple hit this 523.22 twice. It rejects, so that's the buy side. So my thing is we need to break that buy side because we keep getting rejected to the upside from there. And what can we say? The market did exactly what we wanted to do. It paid us, right? Either market is going to pay you or the market is going to slay you. But one thing I'm going to tell you, the market is not going to lie to you. No problem, Steve. No problem. No problem. This is what it's about. Remember, when these candlesticks stacks up and loads up, ladies and gentlemen, it gives you an opportunity to stack and load up as well. So my thing is, remember, if you guys ever been to the gun range, you guys got to reload. You know, no clip is have unlimited supply. So in this market, you got to tell yourself, I'm gonna load up when I make money, or I'm gonna call it a day. Right. So my thing is, I don't like the way this choppiness is looking on the 2-minute. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the 5-minute. It's still a lot of choppiness, and I'm gonna show you guys how it look on the 10-minute. If we can come back up and retrace and form this hammer, then we can break back above the high today. I told you 561.50. That's why I get back into some more plays. I feel a little bit more comfortable. But my thing is, I'm waiting on 10 o'clock to come. We got a little bit less than 3 minutes. Let's see where this 10 o'clock 90-minute candle comes out, and let's see if we can actually break above the high, or we can break above, or we can break down. Y'all ready for this? Type it in the chat if you guys ready for this. Drop a bag in the chat. Drop a bag in the chat. Drop a bag. Drop a bag. If everybody that bagged up today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud of you. Congratulations. It's not easy, right? Everybody that tell you that it's easy, but they won't show you that it's easy, right? Anybody can speak it, but can they get on here live and trade with you in real time? Anybody can speak it, but can they get on here live and trade with you real time? Confidence, ladies and gentlemen. Confidence is key. After confidence is execution. I got something that's called the triple Ps. Anybody in my group, what are the triple Ps? Anybody in my group, what are the triple Ps? Talk to me. What are the triple Ps? Type them in the chat. We live. We've been on 34, almost 35 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. We got a little bit less than a minute and 30 seconds. We'll see what this next 90-minute candlestick can show us. We'll see if it shows the way to the upside, to the promised land, or we'll see if it shows the way to the downside. But on this 90-minute, we do have a 3-bar. We took out the low, and we took out the high, right? So in the strat world, we took out the low, we took out the high. All right? So let's see if we can continue to keep on rallying, or we can see if we can drop. What are the triple Ps if you guys are inside my group? What are the triple Ps? You guys should know them by now. All the replay videos, and I talk about it all the time. CVS is running, ladies and gentlemen. You hear me? Running like Chris Brown. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we got less than a minute. CVS is kicking ass. CVS is kicking. So let's rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. We got SPY 561.05. 561.05. Patient, that's 1. Positive, that's 2. And persistent is 3. Here we go. We got less than 30 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. Less than 30 seconds. Remember, it is Friday, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday. Protect your contracts, ladies and gentlemen. It is Friday. It is Friday. So I like to trade on a live. I like to put people in position to be successful. We got less than 10 seconds to go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what this next 90-minute candlestick will do for us. Here we go. 1 second. It came out. There y'all go. Bag drop. Anybody got anything else they want to say to Coach while we on here? You could have took your bag. We reached that target. Boom. 561.80, ladies and gentlemen. That's what it's all about. If you guys got anything that you want to say in the chat, say it in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Say it in the chat. Say it in the chat. This is what it's about. Push up, take your bag. My thing is that 90-minute candlestick shows you the direction, ladies and gentlemen. Intel is getting killed. CVS is still running, ladies and gentlemen. So if you took the CVS call, take your bag off the table. This is what it's about. Patient, positive, and being persistent. This is what it's about. Push up, take your bag, don't look for more. That's the game. That's the game. Drop a world emoji in the chat if you guys just killed it. Drop a world emoji in the chat. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, market, Twitter fingers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is the game. Woo! Ric Flair, y'all. That's the game, that's the game. I got 2 more minutes and I'm out. 2 more minutes, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm out. 2 more minutes. How do you guys like trading on this live YouTube? Yep, consumer dropped at 10 o'clock. But it still didn't matter. 9 o'clock, 90-minute candlestick would have showed the way either way. That's where the banks like to infiltrate the market. So it would have came out, either would have pushed up or below, but having that sentiment actually helped with the reports. So that was a bag drop. I lucked it. If you guys made money, congratulations. If you guys got slayed, you guys was what? What happened if you guys got slayed? You was impatient and you didn't listen, right? So you have to pay attention to what's really going on. I like it. So like I think is we got an doji on the 90-minute, ladies and gentlemen. So like I told you guys, if we can break above 561.50 and we can hold, you can take plays up to the upside. If we break below 559.80, you could take push to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. I got a little bit over 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Remember, Batman is Batman. Robin is Robin. Who are you? Everybody needs to establish their own identity. So I believe in everybody should partner up with somebody. I believe everybody should have a coach when they start. And I know people say they self-study, but majority of people that say they self-study, they didn't came from under other people, but they would never recognize or acknowledge that they came from under people and learned a lot. So my thing is, please allow ego out the window, and my thing to continue to keep on growing. This is bag drop, y'all. Bag drop 101. So my thing is, I'm just proud of the team, right? Growth is growth, right? If you ain't growing, you're slowing, right? So my thing is, let's try to continue to keep on growing, right? Put world emoji inside the chat. This was beautiful. World emoji inside of the chat. I don't know nobody that's giving you 40 minutes of their time, right? Win, lose, or draw, You got to be patient. You got to be positive, and you got to be persistent. Remember, your pursuit of perfection is up to you. Nobody is ever going to be perfect, but your pursuit of being perfect should actually keep you going. Nobody's going to be perfect, but your pursuit of it should keep you going. I'm out.